As you can already tell by the title of this video, I'm so excited to be sharing with you what I got from Temu. Yes, I know what you're thinking, girl. How did you get your hands on Temu when you live in a different country? Well, that's a story for another day. However, I've just been watching so many videos and hauls about Temu, and there's no way I was gonna get left behind. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you everything that I got from Temu and if it was worth it or not. And I'll definitely make sure that I link everything that I bought on the description box down below so you too can get your hands on them. I believe Temu only ships to the US and Canada if I'm not mistaken, but I know for certain they do ship to US only. And if you want to know how you can buy stuff from overseas and get them shipped to your home country, especially from websites which are restricted to only US citizens only, well, I'm your girl, and let me know if you'd like that and I'll make a different video for that. However, today I'm just so excited to show you the stuff that I got from Temu, and let's just jump on it. And also, before you do that, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Yes, Cindy Blue. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell somewhere up here so you can be notified every time I upload. So, without any further ado, let's jump on it. Okay. If you know me, then you know 100% without a doubt I was gonna buy wigs, okay, which I will showcase in the upcoming videos. Me, myself, and I, one of the things that I would never fail to get is some makeup brushes. Ooh. So at the back it comes with some instructions on how to clean the brushes, and it's a little card with 15 brushes on there. I don't know if you can see it. 15 brushes on there, and it's quite good for beginners, especially if you don't know which brush to use for what. So it comes with all the instruction as to which each brush is used for. You've got the powder brush, round brush, multifunction brush, angled brush, fan brush, angled eyeshadow brush, large eyeshadow brush, concealer brush, blending brush, eyelash and brow comb, eyelash brow brush, eyeliner brush, angled brow brush, and detail brush, and of course a sponge eyeshadow brush. And of course they came packaged in this little baggie. And this is how it came. All 15 brushes are on here. I can never have enough brushes. I'm always on a hunt for more brushes. So let me kind of like just open them so I can feel. Ooh, look at that. Oh, yeah, corners. The corners. Ooh, I've never owned such a. Most of my brushes are usually straight, so this is kind of cute. And then it's got the little logo right there. Don't know what company is this. Let's see if it's all of them. It must be the lip brush. It feels like it's almost all the brushes that got that not straight. Not straight at all. And I love it. Quite different from all the brushes that I currently own. And of course it comes covered in a little net to protect the bristles. Ooh, look at that. looking forward to using this. Oh, this must be the powder brush. Oh, quite full. Quite full. Look at that. Full and round. Love the design. Quite good. I love the fullness, especially in the powder brush. Love it. And then we've got this. I'm not quite sure what this is. Let's find out. What is this? Is it what I'm thinking? Oh. It's a hairdressing thingy. I guess I don't even remember ordering this, but I guess I had ordered it for my clients. It's a long one. It's a long one. Oh well. I just bought another one quite recently. I had forgotten that I ordered this, but anyway, so now I've got 4. I bought a phone case. Got me a phone case. I found it to be quite cheap, so I went ahead and bought it. I think it was about $3, but I'll just make sure that I put the correct link for the prices on the disc below. And then I got me some studs, earrings. Can you see it? Can you see it now? Can you see it? Can you see it here? Right here? How's that? Better? Yeah. Ooh. Got those in like a copper, a blue. I'm a fan of studs. I'm a big fan of wearing just studs most of the time. And I've got black ones. I've got like silver, medium size and big size. They look like beads on them. Oh, and then it comes with January, February, March, all the months on it. I guess each month you get to wear a set of each. That's how you roll. But I can quite tell you the ones that I will not be wearing quite often. This would be these flowery peachy ones, and probably these pink studs. Not my vibe, but nice. Oh yeah, and then I spotted this baby right here, and I was like, that looks so cute. I got to get me one. And then when you open it, it's makeup brushes on the go, so you don't always have to carry your makeup brushes or your long makeup brushes in your bag. You can just order this, put it in your bag, just close it up like so, put it in your little purse, and whenever you need to do touch-ups, you just open it. It comes with a mirror right here, you can see it. Mirror, you just open it, do what you got to do, and you are good to go. I'll probably keep this in my purse, or I might just give it away as a gift to somebody. But it's so cute, and I love the color. I love the pinky brownish shade. There are 5 brushes. I guess one is for your blush, powder, eyeshadow touch-ups, and yeah, quite cute and compact. And I also found something that was so irresistible. I could not help myself, and I had to get it. And it's the little, not everything has to be little, Cindy. Okay. And it's this headbands. I'm kind of growing to be a fan of headbands, so I can hide my tracks. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they have 5 of them. 5 of them. I've got the black one, the light gray one, and the maroon, the darker gray, and a brown. Nice. Seems to be the same style. And went ahead and got myself a music headband. I'm not quite sure how it works, okay? It's my first time getting my hands or seeing such a thing. So let's see. It's available for most devices, wireless connection. Headband can be removed and cleaned. Built-in mic. Interesting. Available for cell phone to transmit to your phone. Chargeable battery via USB. Oh, I'm not patient opening such things. So, okay. Yeah. Oh wow. This is good when you're working out. Nice. It comes with a USB charger right there. Guess this is where buttons are. Let's see. Can I hear anything? Huh? Power off. Heard that? Yeah. Tech. I guess this is where the speaker is, because it's a round thingy here. Okay. Is it a tear or something? Oh, there's wiring in there. Anyway, let's not tamper with it too much. Don't want to mess it up. It's quite thick though. Very thick. Nice for winter too. Keep your head warm or your forehead warm. And then I went ahead and got myself, which I thought was an antenna. It's a wireless adapter for, I want to try it out for one of my old PCs for something. But it's an adapter. Yep. Just take it out, Cindy. Take it out. Better sensitivity, longer distance, 150 megabytes per second. So yeah, I want to try and see if I can actually get internet Wi-Fi using this on my older PCs, because it doesn't come built in. It's an older one and I'm not gonna get rid of it because I love it so much. It has seen me through the worst. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but why throw it away if you can fix it? Huh? So cutie. It's a mug. It's a cute ass mug. It's so nice for fooling people. But it's a lens. It's a camera lens. It's a camera lens cup or mug. It says Canyon ultrasonic. Oh, can you open it? Oh, no, yes. Okay, it's just cute. This is how it looks inside. Steel, silver. Let's see what happens when I open it here. Oh yeah, you can open it. You can open it. A sip hole. A sippy. Couldn't do it before, but yeah. And it has all the fake or faux settings for that a camera lens would have. And of course, I had to get my son a water bottle. And it is so cute. and it's definitely gonna last a very long time. No matter how many times he drops it at school or wherever he is, I'm 100% sure it's not gonna break. Even if he had to step on it mistakenly, it's not plastic, it's not gonna go like no. Okay, has a little bear right there. Let's see what happens. Don't poke my eyes. Oh, thank God. Alright. Has a little straw. Oh, so cute. Look at that. Okay, wait. Now, how do I get the content inside? Does it open any further? Okay, let's not mess it up, alright? Close it back. Oh, so that's where the other strawberry. That's where the other straw is. Still inside. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's gonna last a long time. So this is definitely value for money. Close it back up. I kind of like to see him using this. Oh wow. It's got a rubber thingy underneath. Rubber thingy underneath. Decided to get some cutlery organizers. Yeah. I've got two. The two of them. Let's see what's happening in here. That's how it looks at the bottom. Yeah. So here it's hollow. Hollow. It's on here. I guess I can put my small cutlery spoon or teaspoons right here, knives and whatnot. How am I gonna reach in here and clean that mess out? Okay, I guess I'm gonna figure it out. Anyway, my battery is about to die. I just got a warning. So, besides, I'm about done with the Temu haul. I hope that you enjoyed watching this haul, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And until next time, bye.